Memory. Memory is a place where the data and programs are stored. The performance of a computer system depends on the size of the memory. The memory used to store data and instruction. This concept is known as stored program concept. It states that before execution of a program, the program must be transferred to the memory of the computer. Depending on accessibility of the computer, the memory can be primary memory, cache memory, secondary memory. Units of memory. The basic unit of memory in bit space taken to store one binary digit, that is 0 1. Byte space taken to store up to 8 bits, that is any character on kilobytes take 1 byte. KB 1 KB 1024 byte. MB 1 MB 1024 KB. GB 1 GB 1024 MB. TB 1 terabyte 1024 GB. PB 1 PB 1024 TB. Primary memory. The primary memory is also known as the main memory or internal memory of a computer system. The CPU accesses data directly from this main memory. The main memory can be visualized as a series of continuous memory locations. Each location is capable of storing data and is identified by an address. Each memory location is also known as cell. The memory is associated with address of the memory location, content of the memory location. A primary memory can be A. Read-only memory ROM, B. Random access memory RAM. A. ROM. ROM is used to only read ready data or instructions that have been permanently stored in the chip. Nothing can be written to this memory by the user. In ROM, data are stored permanently, therefore it is a non-volatile memory. It means even if power is switched off, it will not lose data. The BIOS is stored in ROM. There are different types of ROM. They are FPGA, Field Programmable Gate Array, PROM, Programmable ROM, EPROM, Erasable Programmable ROM, EPROM, Electrically Erasable Programmable ROM. B. RAM. Every computer must have RAM. The name random access because any of the location in this memory can be randomly selected to directly store and retrieve data and instruction. RAM is a volatile memory. It means all data will be lost when power is switched off. Therefore, it is used for temporary storage of program and data. Data can be retrieved from or other stored to RAM just by giving memory address. If data is not required, then they can be erased. RAM is of two types, that is static RAM and dynamic RAM. Static RAM. This memory is based on the transistor technology. It takes 6 transistors to store a byte. Therefore, the circuit of static RAM is more complicated and takes more space. It does not need to refresh as long as power supply is there. It is more expensive and used in specialized application. Dynamic RAM. Dynamic RAM is based on capacitor technology. The content of each storage cell within the chip require periodically to be refreshed. When a capacitor is charged gradually, it loses the charge. To retain the charge at the original level, the capacitor is periodically recharged. This processing is known as refreshing. The periodic recharge is essential for DRAM, otherwise it will lose the store value. It consumes little power but suffer from slow access time. Cache memory. A cache memory is a very small and fast memory located between the CPU and the main memory. It is used to keep the processor speed high and to reduce the number of wait for data from memory. The CPU can access the data instruction stored inside the cache at a faster rate than those stored in system memory. It increases the speed of processing. CPU cache memory. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is also called as external memory or auxiliary memory. It allows the permanent storage of large volume of data. This is also known as backup memory. There are two main ways of storing data as backup, that is serial access, direct access. The capacity of this memory is expressed as the number of bytes, characters or bits can store at one time. Some of the secondary memories are hard disk drive. The term hard disk is used to distinguish the disk from a soft disk. The HDD is the soft disk due to its floppy nature. The capacity of HDD is more than the HDD. The capacity of a standard HDD is 160 GB. Some characteristics are online storage device available with reference capacity, a read-write head for each surface, very sophisticated. Magnetic disks. It is the most popular type of secondary device. Your data are recorded on the magnetic plate coated on both sides with magnetic materials. These plates are very thin and put in a protective cover. The metal plate contains circles known as track that are recorded in this track. The track is divided into sectors. Each track is a unique number. The numbering starts from east of the disc. The outermost track is numbered as 000 and the number continuously increases towards the center of the track. The number of tracks vary from 35 to 77 on FDT and 200 to over 800 on HDT. Some terminologies associated with disk storage are data density, bits per inch, tracks per inch, floppy disk drive. FDT is also called as diskette. It was common media for computer storage. It is compact, flexible, magnetic oxide and plastic covered. There are different sizes of FDT, that is 8, 5 half, 3 half, 1.4 MB. The rotation speed is about 300 to 400 RPM and data transfer rate is about 10 to 30 kbps. Its advantages are easy to carry, store and mail, reusable, accessed anytime. Optical discs. Optical discs use special light known as laser for reading and writing purpose. The optical discs are available with different size and capacity. The capacity varies from 650 MB to 17 GB and use direct access mechanism to access the data. Data can be permanently stored. There are many optical discs like compact disc CD. CD is very popular and reliable storage media. It is an optical disc used to store digital data. There is an aluminum layer which protects it from corrosion and damage by lacquer. A special liquid which is painted on metal to protect it and to make it shiny, on which a disc label can be printed. A player reads information from the CD spiral track of bits and lines starting from the center of the disc and moving to the outer edge. It does by firing in an infrared laser. CDs can rotate between 200 to 250 RPM. CD-ROM drives are available with different speeds. The most popular speed drive is 52X, where X stands for 150 kbps. So 52X CD-ROM means the data transfer rate speed is 52 into 150 kbps is equal to 7.8 mbps. There are two different CDs available, that is CD-ROM and CD-RW. The process of writing information to CD is known as CD bonding. It named so because the powerful laser ray produce enough energy to melt the material and make peat. Digital Versatile Disc (DVD). DVD was originally designed for storing digitized representation of video. Therefore, some call it as digital video disc. DVDs are capable of storing more data than CDs, that is 4.7 GB, single layer, single side, 8.5 GB, double layer, single side, and 17 GB double side. CD drive cannot read write DVDs. It can be read or write by drive called DVD drive. DVD is also of two types, DVD-ROM, DVD-RW. Nowadays, combo drive is very popular for following operations: CD reads, DVD read, CD bond, DVD bond. Advantage of the optical discs are store large volume of data, less expensive, store random and sequential data, very lightweight and easy to carry, highly versatile and portable medium. Portable storage device, pen drive. It is a very popular general purpose portable storage device. Its name is so because it resembles or similar to a pen. The correct technical name is flash drive. It contains flash memory to store data. Pen drives come in different shape and memory size. The flash memory is also known as flash ROM. It is a non-volatile memory that can be erased and reused. Therefore, it keeps data even if power is removed. So, it is a form of EPROM. Advantage of pen drive: small and easy to carry, easy to operate, soft, docks and waterproof, low price, available in various capacity. Memory card. A memory card is based on solid-state flash memory technology. It is a form of small card known as memory card. The memory card is easy, fast, and reliable way to store and transport digital files. This memory card is also a non-volatile memory which can be available in different storage capacity and transport speed. The first memory card was introduced in 1990 by the name PCMCIA, Personal Computer Memory Card International Association, and later on called PC card.